Dr. Fred Matiang'i is not just a voter or a resident in Borabu constituency. He is the most popular leader from the region. Kwa hivyo, mimi nitaendelea kumconsult very closely to ensure that the development plan that we have for Borabu constituency enjoys political goodwill.
Ino mungwano kurukunga Morara kebaso. Most people mumaete. Abange wenu muchangirite. Dirigency protests 2024. Paka tukambabeka asigete ngango wale presidential candidate. Morara kebaso akamanyekana Kenya ngima. Ne businessman yale is a young successful man. Boni ga Morara kebaso oamwire gosoa nende siasa. Na igeta asaka ritaya pi nga urure siasa. Lakini finally osoya siasa. Egento kyan kuneto moyo mono talinga Morara kebaso soire siasa ya. Ochire Borabu kubole MP. Egento kyakabere ochira Matiang'i. Ase video ende dembaro kya sikema echi decision echibere lakini tara kora boigo. Onye nali tangani okora chi video chane mukwa times rechinga kishago subscribe, like and comment because that is the best support you can always give this channel. Before Dragendra ninje moligi I engage with him in a conversation on Tevinga ni mo nyole very soon mokole interview. But first of all, ningi kiagara ite Morara kebaso agacha kusiko bole bo people. Gosa siki that decision is good. Secondly, Matiang'i na Morara kebaso relationship na kire. Ege ntaba kusia bangi mutamaiti Morara kebaso ose Morara no momo maite. Mungwano yu akuru ase family obokambi. Ise anyi sokuro ya akuru ku George Morara. George Morara na rolenga mumpi I think West Mugirango. Ose North Mugirango, something like that. North Mugirango I think or West Mugirango. Na lengo mumpi. Alafu mumuromu abo na lenge mumuromu abo ise na lengo mo senator ogarukuru na kebaso. Igo ine family obugambi bura manyinga ime. Igo umurona baraga ni pi arusiasa juzi na tepanga ngori tayari lakini somehow mpaka nyoro yakogara na obugambi buri kibura manyinga mboro. Astia guchi. Ekero kiti ya to expect. Paka alikoirana njana na rocha gadanga na retire. Haya. Njana hatikire at 29 years you are retiring from politics kukuchei. Enda abie kanduko might. Haya. Mumuro njibeka na betengo kwana ngometenga hakyuta gucha onye kwa ruru obugambi bwe nsenga president inchuna no bugavana Nyamira akabese tanda kati abona retire. Ali gucho bugavana could have been a good thing. Tonyole youthful leader in Nyamira mean that twatora bagaka kabere tusukutware kijana we can do well. We can do better. Torana kie change yako akabo mongora sana. Ko kana siasa na anyiroche teli mchezo. Bono amwire gucha Borabu constituency, Borabu elisina so metali mongole. Borabu constituency is a constituency that is above many counties. Asengenjak, the people who live there. Vandava ngaini. Mama itinki bahokora, inki baganiti, na kibakomenya. Teganeti mungwano oro teko kora magendro because nena andu bangenti chipara chingia, chiskuru chikorebia. Kanyoro mungwano vision na vile Morara kebaso that was okay. The second thing, it was a good decision to come. Asiki, he represents a bright future for us as youths. Tigabono, I'm okay as an individual. Achakerobo over MP to shape his political career. Amantobamo manye no monto might what to do, how to do politics. I'm a good example to the rest of the country. Muna tokuli ndini nyora kolegas, nera kole. Muna toko ronda kolega siasa nera kole Borabu. Twenzi pi totabanga usi to nyoro mujumbe okuruku Morara kebaso. Very important. Tikabona shape kabisa aro kinga zito engechi street abanda bakarasu njenga tigara mosho. Ekitu ala wacha korana kick. Ikaba gusi abasaki barachi kitiko sababu kambi. Bae bakolega asibunanje. That is what Morara kebaso should do right now with 2027. Bono ando baburabu anya ben mama nteyo chikoboli. Karanza buya pime binto Morana kia mangana kopa. Kia kogara ke maana pi ntoka neti visionary leadership in every constituency, especially Gusii. That is number 1. Number 2, ninki omungwano yako tayara bono usikobala na Matiang'i. Bali bataigwa igwa.
Kwa hivyo mimi kama mbunge wake, I will ensure that I consult him very closely to ensure that that development plan is done. Kwa hivyo from now on, as the acting member of parliament wa Borabu, hizo shida zote, if you come from Borabu constituency unitafute, mimi ndio mbunge wako. From today, I'm the one sorting out those problems.
Matiang'i Gusii mpaka obenere. Esababu entanga ni neje. Ground kya Gusii ngeko kwala ogenda against Matiang'i. No bomu yobuno rabe. Akong sana ngabono wachire Gusii, you've seated somewhere, you've been allowed freely to the campaign Dr. King of Fred Matiang'i. You cannot do that. It is not easy. Unless utuwale some extraordinary track record, kose some extraordinary love on the wanchite, mama etenga ojo, no muntu miyale. Na basi Matiang'i, aki, ostadis Matiang'i, aki no miyale. That is essential. Igoro Morara ke basuno mungaini ulenga karanga yaya. Anya kingoche kerogieke. Matiang'i obeyed mentioned in the correct way. That is important. Join Matiang'i. Na realize yendo kendenga, Morara ke basuno aro chenga, there is no way arakole rebiek. Wikanyo rabasan. Tak kogenda na kubuli kirogi rebieka ire. Secondly, vijana biko nya rebiok. Noga ntia bagaka. Na Gusii toko ira kuro ntuba tibagaka bangina na basayamu. Kero kubaga nitibonsi pi. Toko barama, goso kuba chawe, toko batama, uikobe nabo. Na kingo teberanga, Morara ke basuno mungaini olenge. Akaranga buna basaya tweka ntoko nyara. Segi etali young versus the old. No, it is young plus the old to change Gusii. Ekine kiango agati Morara ke basuno ngeta koraki kor. Gento kene Matiang'i na bwate gente kemo. Na tatwara kere gento pi. Na harabe na bunteli chiko. Na harabe na korode kinde kibi. Lakini Matiang'i gento ngere kama wadi kiro munda kwanja. A track record on service delivery. Kiro mundu na bakuri kire tenga Matiang'i alenga na begete maki gete. Agaso agatoruziana lo yatera digital. Agaso sama somo akaita new curriculum, agasiri obuibi wa matemo, akaita chibasi chia yero, agasiri vinde vinge sana. Kira lingi ntiri agatagora na Al-Shabaab. At least a mark nero Matiang'i begete in every place. That is why Morara ke baso achie toror. Just to sum it up, a movement ya youth ya children across the country. Vijana vilivi alikuwa biku toko wakateka esiko toka ikatoka sira pi. Bono ya very option ya myoka. Yenyu onye ko ntyo buganda. Bada bagaka bana bangina bali mwa guchaya na bumo guchira. Ende ko bategera omanye language yabo. Eyo Morara ke basida tinga kisanda. Akategera, aka scrutinize, akamanyanga Gusii utete gotachabya. Abagaka abangina bumper to bumper. Ikine kintu kiamana sana. Byamno sana uzukoreshinga kichana sa comment section. Share na inchi na kimoranga tigora Morara ke baso. To my next time, you can subscribe, you can support Mokwa Times and Ambanera for any kind of information to Congo, go send for support, you can feel free to do so. See you next time for more videos.